So you want to know how to defend yourself in territorial.io. Now let's start a small map, let's play. And the way that you defend yourself is by keeping a lot of resources behind. So for example, right now I can attack with everything, but if I do, like right now, I don't have resources to defend myself. And if this guy uses maybe 1,000 to attack me, I'm probably gonna be dead. Or he's gonna be able to conquer a lot. Like what I did was I attack with everything, and that means that I don't have many resources left compared to other guys around me. For example, this guy, he has more resources than me and has a larger territory, and therefore he can attack me, and so on with all the other guys. So what you want to do is to play a little bit more conservative. Like in this situation, he is attacking me, or he could have attacked, and I don't want it. Like, I am keeping all the resources behind. Now, for the way that defense works is that the larger the territory you have, the more resources you need to defend yourself. For example, if I have 80,000, but I have like all this territory, it's going to be very little. They're going to be able to destroy and penetrate the defenses and really conquer all of my stuff with a very small attack. As you can see, he just started attacking other guys. I am still alive, so I can maybe attack a little bit this guy or some other guy, just to grow a little bit while still being very defensive. And that is it. That is how you defend yourself. Just be conservative, don't be focused on attacking, growing, and in some situations a small attack back can be useful, but just try to keep a large amount of resources even if you have a small territory. You will lose a lot of interest by doing so, but that's probably for the best, because if you attack and are aggressive, they are going to just destroy you. So that is how you defend yourself in territorial.io. I hope you liked this video. Leave a comment, subscribe, and the usual stuff. Bye bye.